Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Kiddo Color Club. Today, we are going to draw a cute little rat wearing a chef's hat and holding a spoon. And guess what? We'll also learn some fun English words about rats. So get your colors and let's start. First, let's draw a big round face for the rat. Now add two big ears on top, like half circles. Draw the eyes, a small nose, and a big happy smile. Don't forget the whiskers on each side. Now for the body, I'd make it small and round. Add two little arms, one holding a spoon. Then draw the chef's hat on top and a long curly tail at the back. Great job, artists! Let's learn some cool words related to rats. Blue color, R-A-T. Red color, tail, T-A-I-L. Black color, Whiskers. Whiskers. Green color. Chef hat. Chefhat. Light green color. Spoon. Spoon. Red color. Smile. Smile. Say them with me. Rat tail. Whiskers. Chef hat. Spoon. Smile. Awesome. Now it's time to color. I will color the rat with orange, pink for the ears, and blue for the chef's hat. Orange color. Pink color. Blue color. Red color. Blue color. You can choose any colors you love. Let's make it super colorful and fun. Wow, you did an amazing job today. You learned how to draw a rat and also learned some new English words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time on Kiddo Color Club. Bye-bye.